So welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video about to change the gasket of this starter motor of 772 dump truck, Caterpillar dump truck. Okay, so this one is my starter motor. Okay, and off camera I will remove this one. Okay, so here is one bolt is here and one bolt is here and one bolt is upside, and also I will remove the electrical connections. And because this starter motor is very heavy, so I can't make the video during removing this one. So off the camera I will remove this one. So I'm going to replace the gasket because the gasket is worn off, and due to worn off the gasket here is a leak the oil. Okay, these oils are leaking here. Therefore, I'm going to remove this starter motor, and after removing the starter motor, I will change the gasket, the starter motor. And this was an upside view of this starter motor. Okay, so this is my starter motor from the upside, and this here I remove the wires and going to remove wire from this one, and also remove this these two wires, one this one and one this one, and this one wire is already has removed. Now I'm going to off my camera, and off camera I will remove the starter motor. So here you can see I have removed my starter motor. So you can see the condition of this gasket. Okay, so this gasket has worn off. It's a finish. Therefore this was leakage oil. So this is a condition. Before someone has put silicone. Actually I think this only put silicone, not maybe this is a broken one and after put silicone. So you can see this condition is not good. So this one is my new gasket. Okay, because first I will clean this face of the starter motor very carefully. Clean it because you can see too much dust is here. Okay, so I clean this area. First I clean this area carefully. After it I will fix this new gasket. So because you can see it, my clean its face. Let's say you can see now it is shining. This face is shining. Okay, so now this is my gasket. I am putting the it's silicone on it because it after putting the silicone it is strictly uh, joined with the starter motor. Okay, so now I'm going to fix it. Okay, so in this way we fix the our gasket to the starter motor, because after it the oil will not leak. It So viewers, after fixing the gasket to the starter motor, now I came back the engine side. So you can say now I'm going to fix back my starter motor. I also clean the other engine side also. I clean it. Now I'm going to fix back the starter motor. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend. So now I will fix the starter motor and off the camera. Thank you.